guess what today is?
I see you at my door, wanting in, come back for more, but I don't want this anymore.
I literally look so gross right now. I have like fucking acne dots on my face. I'm so tired, oh my god. I took so much melatonin last night and I don't want to get up. Ugh. But I'm really excited to go see my friends at school. So yeah, I'm so excited. I'm gonna go do my makeup and then finish packing up the car and then move in. Ow, something's in my eye. Ugh. But yeah, I'm so excited. I can't wait. I can't wait. It's so exciting. Okay, my room is super messy, but here's my outfit that I'm wearing. Doo-doo-doo. Yep. And I have a scrunchie because I'm a visco girl. Ew. Oh my god. Gross. I don't know why I just said that. Oh, and here's my makeup in case you were wondering. It's the same thing I always do. It's literally just like the eyeshadow is eyeliner and then I just put like bronzer on. Nobody cares though. But yeah, the last thing I have to pack up is my backpack and then I have to put one more box in the car and then we're on the way. Here's car number 1 with all my stuff and then car number 2. I don't know if it's open. Let's just see. It's all the stuff. Okay, that's not mine, but like all the stuff is in there. So yeah, I'm gonna be driving this car. Okay, yay. We're going to take a 2 hour, it's like 2 hour, 2.5 hours, 3 hour drive to go to school now. So I'm super excited. And yeah, let's go. Okay guys, so I'm here now. Here's the room and I just had one of my roommates help me. His name's Chris, so he's coming down in a second, but we just like moved all the furniture and stuff around and I'm literally just unpacking. But yeah, once we're like done moving everything in and like getting the like apartment set up and stuff, then I'll give you like an apartment tour and then like a little room tour. But yeah, sorry I didn't vlog any of it at all. I was just like sweating taking boxes in and stuff. But let me go see it. Chris, can I come up? Okay. Okay, this is Chris. What's your YouTube name?
Flat Out Chris.
Flat Out Chris. I'll put it in, like, I'll put it at the bottom. So yeah, this is his room. Super cool. I like the lights. And then this is like the upstairs area. There's a bathroom and then there's a single room there and then a double and then the stairs that go downstairs. But yeah, you moved in when, like 2 weeks ago? 2 weeks. Yeah, 'cause football camp. So yeah, so I just got in today and then my roommate Natalie will be in tomorrow. But yeah, so I'm just gonna start organizing stuff. Thanks, Chris. I'm gonna just start organizing everything and then we have like 2 couches there and they have like their football thing up there and then lights, TV, and then all my stuff. And then we have our friend McKenna. She's gonna be in there and then yeah, Natalie and I are in there and then we have bathroom there, little kitchen, just turning the light on. And yeah, and then another door. And this is just kind of what the whole place looks like. It's actually really nice. Oh, it is?
Ew, what it do? That was good though.
Put your Instagram.
Hello world, it's your boy, you know, Juice Young, it's upside down. Oh, I don't know. I'm going off the screen.
Julian, what?
The screen keeps flipping back and forth.
Let me see. Oh, that's because it's like I have to, here, let me see that. Fell off the bed. Hi guys, I'm just casually duct taping the bed. The mat, like the top mattress onto my thing. Okay, plug your Instagram.
My Instagram name is...
You don't know it?
J.Young34?
34, okay.
Wait, yeah, J.Young34.
I'm gonna put it on the bottom.
But also follow my photography page.
Yeah, follow it.
Juice.visions.
Yeah.
You know.
So Julian lives upstairs where Chris lives, but in the other single that I showed you guys. I didn't open the door.
My room is a mess right
No,
now.
I like pointed and said that's where he lives. Okay. Actually I shuffled through your drawers and I was like, and this is...
That's crazy.
Okay, I'm slowly making progress. As you can see, I've set up my bed and like, we're getting there. Very slowly though. Okay, now it's coming together much better. There we go. I have like the posters up and the lights. So it looks really cute. Trying over here, but yeah. Okay, so it's literally like 12:30 right now in the morning and all my roommates are more sleep and stuff, but Natalie's not here yet, obviously. But I'm literally like crafting right now. Like I'm making this whole like board because right here I already showed you guys I have my posters and stuff up, and so I thought it'd be really cute to put this corkboard there, and I'm kind of like, I don't know, I'm putting like a bunch of different like things on there and stuff, so I think it's super cute. But yeah, everything's like really coming together so far, except that but yeah, everyone's asleep, that's why I'm like kind of whispering and stuff, and I feel like this has been the worst move-in vlog. Sorry, I don't know. I'm gonna try to like film the next couple days because I just did like a terrible move-in vlog. I feel really bad, but I'll try to give you guys like a little bit of a room tour when Natalie gets here, or I might just show you before she gets here. I don't know. I don't even know when I'm gonna edit this and put this out. This is becoming a very bad college move-in vlog. So yeah, but I'll try to like vlog some stuff tomorrow because I did such a bad job today. But it was just, I was so tired, and like we were like moving in and stuff, and I couldn't like hold the camera and film or whatever. But yeah, so I'm gonna just finish doing this for the night, go to sleep, and then I'll wake up and yeah, I'll show you guys what I do tomorrow. But I don't know, this is very relaxing doing this. I'm like cutting pictures. I feel like a little crafter. Okay, I just woke up, so I literally put this hat on. But I'm gonna go and clean the boxes out of the living room over there, and then I'm gonna take a shower and like fix my hair because I look like a mess right now. But yeah, and then later I'm gonna go get lunch with some of my friends. But yeah, I'm just chilling right now, listening to music. I'm really being boring right now. I'm just not realizing that. Look who it is. Welcome back.
Nice. I was here before you.
I'm saying welcome back to the vlog.
Okay, alright. Hello, it's me again. Got a new haircut.
Yeah, do you guys like it? It's been beautiful. I love it.
New ear piercing.
Ooh, oh wait, I didn't even notice that. Is it only one ear?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. So, I said I'd vlog today. We just got food. And, ew, why am I blurry and why is it focused on you? Okay, now
I'm obviously to start this vlog. I mean,
yes, that sounds right. Sounds about right. So yeah, we got food, and now we're gonna go to the International House where he lives.
That's right.
And I said that it was haunted, and he got all mad at me.
I didn't get mad at you.
Yeah, you did.
I was saying it was bullshit. It's not haunted.
It's haunted because my friend brought her dog, and animals can sense spirits, and it was freaking out. Come on.
The dog was probably just, you know.
She said that her dog never acts like that. So.
The dog was probably just nervous because it was a, you know, new surrounding.
Okay. Okay.
It's nice.
If you guys want to see Ivan in more vlogs, you should comment down below.
They're probably gonna say no.
No, they're gonna say yes. They're gonna say at least get off the camera and Ivan.
Fuck this kid.
Okay. Hi guys. Okay. I feel like I've literally been vlogging the last couple days. I'm currently at the International House. It's very big with Ivan.
It's your boy.
And we're drinking orange sodas. And I'm editing a video right now. So yeah, literally all I did today was I went to like a meeting or something, and then I have to go to another one, and then Ivan's, what are you doing today?
I have some shit to work on.
He has some stuff to work on because he's an RA.
I'm an RA.
So yeah, but this is International House. It's really big and nice, and it's next to like the fraternity and sorority houses and stuff on the like the avenue.
It's on the avenue, yeah.
So yeah, so we're just chilling. I'm gonna edit this video, but I feel like my move-in vlog is so boring. I'm literally the most boring vlogger ever. I apologize. Okay, yeah, we can't talk about that.
Yeah, no, we can't talk about that.
I'm literally dead. Oh my god, I hit 10,000 subscribers. Blah, blah, blah. What? Listen, 10,000 subscribers, hit it last night. Thank you so much. I can't believe I totally forgot to say that. I'm literally freaking out. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I literally am freaking out. Like, I don't know. I don't even know like what to say or do. Thank you so much though for subscribing. I really, really appreciate it. So I need to edit and focus on a video so you guys can have something entertaining. Okay, so I'm literally laying in bed and I just finished coloring in a coloring book and I'm watching The Office because I don't have anything to do right now. So yeah, I feel like this is the most boring move-in vlog ever. But yeah, did I show you what I made? I was crafting. Oh yeah, I showed you that. Super late last night, so it's finished and I have it right there. So I think it looks super cute. Yeah, and I hung it up with like putty on the cork thingy, and then I have a picture frame at the top of my friends and I. But yeah, I'm just chilling right now. and no one's here and I'm alone, so just watching TV. Hi guys, do you like my sheep robe? Okay, this is Hez. This is another person I'm living with.
Hello.
And Sel won't come downstairs. But Hez is upstairs with, you guys already saw Julian and Chris, and Sel is just not coming down. Okay, so this is just the outro. I'm sorry this video was really boring, but I'm gonna make more stuff with them. We're gonna do like an apartment tour or something at one point. But what's your Instagram?
Underscore, no, actually no underscore. At Hez Patterson, H-E-Z, Patterson, 2 T's.
I'll put it in. Yeah. All right, so thank you guys for watching. You should subscribe and get ready for an apartment tour because we're gonna do one, right? We have to.
Pronto.
We just need to decorate more. But yeah, so thank you so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.